Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I welcome you all viewers or subscribers of the channel, that you are highly welcomed. And on this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are using the internet. And in case you are new on this channel, you are highly welcomed. On this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection, and the app we are gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. So you head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. So the app is known as TSM King Net. The app is known as TSM King Net VPN. So this app will help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online. And when you browse along, you pick this one. Take note of the app, how it looks, take note of its name, then open the app to do some settings. And as you open this app, it will take you to its home screen where you will be able to customize the settings. And when you reach in the app interface, you'll be required to set it up, to update it, to do whatever setting will be required. So first of all, you'll be required to tap on this update button. So as we tap on this update button, this app will help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online. So after tapping on the update button, the app will start to show for the available updates. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server. So you tap right here, and then from the presented you can pick any of the available servers. So for today's guide, I recommend you to pick the auto server. And after picking the auto server, so picking the auto server will help the app to automatically pick the best working server in your location. So make sure to pick the auto server, as it will help this app to pick the best performing server. Then for the sake of the network, you are required to pick, or in the search bar you search for UDP, pick it. So in case you have not seen your country name, just pick this Hysteria UDP. It's working for all countries which support UDP. So after that, after picking UDP, you are required to insert a secure and a fast connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, this app will be connected. So you give it a few seconds for it to be connected. And as you can see, the app is right now connected. And that's how we set up TSM King Net with UDP Hysteria settings to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe to this channel for more useful content.